I am in St. Augustine, Florida at Anastasia State Park. And as you can see, they welcome you. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. The campsites are very well equipped with electric, water, a picnic table, burn ring, and fairly level sites. However, you will not find sewage at the campsites, but there is a dump station located at the front of the campground. There are smaller sites for tents or smaller RVs that have power and water, along with a picnic table and a burn ring. Here is a larger site for those large RVs. These sites feature 30 amp, 50 amp water, no sewage, a picnic table, burn ring, and a very level site. One thing worth noting is when entering the campsite, there is a little bit of a drop off. So just keep that in mind when you're backing in. At this park, you will find bathhouses that have restroom and shower facilities. I was very surprised to find that there are paved walkways leading to the bathhouses, and in many areas there is handicap parking. There is laundromat service at the bathhouses, along with a clothesline. It's pretty cool. And believe me when I say that these facilities are clean. Here is a really nice playground with the soft texture foundation. Just look how fun this is. There's a bench and a place to secure your bike while you're enjoying the playground. A really nice attention to detail is the fact that they have handicap parking at the playground. Within Anastasia Park, you will find quite a few trails, such as the Marsh Trail. I encourage you to walk these trails. Some of them you could even bring a bike. Just let you enjoy nature just a little bit more. And you can learn a little bit as well. This is the Ancient Dunes Trail. Oh yeah, and they're pet friendly, which you know is a big plus for me. Here is a very large area with covered picnic tables and grills. A perfect place to walk your dog. Here is the Anastasia State Park Shop and Grill. Found Nemo. The grill wasn't open while I was here, but it looks incredible and has a very nice seating area. And located right next to the shop is an incredible playground. This area features what would be a covered community area with quite a few picnic tables and a grill just offside of the playground. So the kids and adults can play and the kids and adults can eat. Did I mention it's clean? Attention to detail also including the fact that they have a sign in Braille. This is just so incredible. I really love this soft foundation that they put in these playgrounds. It just makes it so much easier on your feet. I remember these being so much higher when I was younger. Here is the Anastasia Water Sports Pavilion, and it's located right off the water. And here's where you launch. Coming out of the campsites, going to the beach to put your feet in the Atlantic Ocean. It's absolutely beautiful out here. Always make sure to know the flags. The flag color will show you if there is a warning, so pay attention to those warnings. Here is a certified selfie spot. Florida really does have some very beautiful places to visit. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you got some value out of it. And if you did, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below, what do you think about Anastasia State Park? Have you ever been here? Let us all know. If there are any campgrounds or state parks you'd like for me to visit, let me know in the comment section. I would love to see them. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. From Anastasia State Park, this is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.